Hey guys! Hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas and whatever holiday you may celebrate. Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, all of the holidays. Nick and I here. We're doing a little van adventure. We went down to see Nick's parents and friends and stuff in Wanaka, and now we're gonna go to a wedding in the Catlins, a New Year's Eve wedding. While we were in Wanaka, we just hung out with friends. We also checked out, we had this friend named Ross. He's a shepherd, and he just got a new job in Makarora. And we went to the Blue Poles. Yeah, now we're just gonna explore the Catlins for a few days and just see whatever else we get up to. We are going to Nugget Point, the lighthouse. Staying overnight tonight at Purakaunui Point on our little holiday road trip.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, in the Catlins. My first time in the Catlins. Nick's not first time?
Nope.
Nope. It's pretty nice out right now. We looked very bundled up though, it's kind of chilly, but not too bad. What you doing, Nick?
I'm just hanging out.
Where are you hanging out? In like a cool tent?
You'd think that might be the case, but it's a half-done van.
Half-done van?
Ooh.
Let's see. Dun 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 dun. What? Ooh. Okay, let's get a little tour.
Okay.
Ooh.
This light is a little LED light that is charged by the solar panel.
There it is. Goes down to this box and it charges the lights, and it also is charging my phone.
I've got 3 of these lights in here. And we used it one time, but Mary said it was too bright, so I tried to chill it out with a bit of string, I don't really know. Twine around a jar. So now it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, looks real cool.
Yep. And then Mary has put these little guys in for, not quite sure why, but it's pretty cool. It's like little fairies. But
this is how it's set up with the little table inside, and it's kind of a rainy day. It's not raining right now, but it's a good day to use the indoor table setup. Look at this bench.
Look at Mary sewing. How good is that? Look at that. Super impressed.
We got that foam that I showed you in the last video. Was that the last video? Yeah, I think so. Showed you that foam in the last video, and we got this fabric, and I made some cushions covers. I made the cushion covers. Sewed them using a friend's sewing machine, and oh yeah, we filmed some of that. Yeah, here you go.
What you sewing, Mary?
Curtains. Slash roof. Curtains. Using a very official piece of wood to draw the lines. Some colored pencil. Just sewn this, and now is the moment of truth to see if the foam fits. The last time I sewed was I was age 9, so it's been a little while.
So,
alright. Elephant foam going in. Yeah. actually want to know how how to make a cushion cover. YouTube has all the answers, and well, I guess this is on YouTube, but there's a lot of helpful videos out there, turns out. So if you're looking to make them, this isn't a very good tutorial, obviously. So I just recommend going to find another video. Good tip. One of them has like a double thing and it's velcroed in the middle. Ooh, yeah, we also got this fan. $5 USB fan, so we can plug it into that solar box thing and it works real well for a little airflow. Yeah, I put zippers on the cushion so they can come off, and we still have to finish this roof part. As you can see, it's kind of falling down. But otherwise we've used some little like leather straps to hold up our curtains, so that's pretty cool. It's turning out really good. It's very functional for the most part already. It's really nice to sleep in. It feels like you're in a little tent. Now this brings us to the next fact portion of the video. What's he gonna tell us this time? But how did you hurt your knee?
It's not very interesting. Combination of touch rugby and cricket.
Do you wanna break that down for the Americans?
Two sports you don't really understand, that you probably won't know about. You might. Touch rugby is like touch football in the States, and cricket is like nothing. Nothing really. Maybe closest to baseball, but not really. Yeah, Murray's already been to a game of cricket. You can watch that. Yeah.
Anyway, so it's the van update. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like how the van's turning out. Hey! Now we are doing a little camping right by the beach. I'm gonna show you this location. It's like, oh, maybe I should show you first because it's just too good. Nick! Reading a book, and look at that view! Ah! Talk about good spots. Fun fact, Nick got me that hammock for Christmas. Yeah, what a good Christmas present. It's going to great use. A lot of people have asked where we stay with the van, because in New Zealand you can do freedom camping. However, you need your van to be self-contained, which means there has to be a toilet in it and running water, and you have to get it certified and you get the sticker and all that, and ours obviously is not that. So right now we are at a dock campsite. It's Department of Conservation. Otherwise we'll stay at holiday parks, which are like, you know, private campgrounds, or like other people, like our friends' properties or wherever. But I thought I'd show you. So it's $8 per night per person here. And it's just kind of like, there's a little box and you get this little slip, registration, and you fill it out and put a receipt on your dashboard, and then you put the money in the box. $16 total for both of us. And well, we don't have change, but I'm happy to pay $20 for this perfect beach camp view. The dock campsites have toilets, but they usually don't have anything else. There's running water, but you have to boil it first. Now the holiday park was $30 a night total, and they had showers and laundry and a kitchen and all kinds of other stuff. So that's kind of just the differences you get. But the holiday park ones aren't usually in such nice locations as this. So really happy. It's so relaxing. Pretty much the next things we're gonna do is just hang out, read books, maybe go swimming. I don't know. Eat some food. Oh, and for dessert, my mom sent over something from the US that I'm really excited to have. Just so you wait. I'm just gonna go back to looking at this view. Hair versus car. Run sideways! Run sideways!
You're gonna be so tired.
I know, shit. Go into the bush!